the day before opening of the restoration show here at the Birmingham NEC. We arrived 5 minutes ago. This is the first time we've brought our trailer into the hall on setup day. So the Riley stand is being set up behind us at the moment, and we did the finishing touches of the Riley at 6 o'clock this morning. So it's quite exciting. This is the first time it's going to be unveiled is this weekend. So we're all set up and ready. The Riley is in position. We've got a nice piece of artwork behind, and the framework is all at the back as well. So we look forward to seeing you this weekend.